Welcome back to JC Motive Garage. So today I'm at the gas station up the road and they're about to do the inspection on the Saturn. So we'll see if it passes and I'll be back. Earlier I went and dropped the Saturn off at the gas station to get inspected. They just called me, told me it was ready. So we're gonna go up there and we're gonna see if it passed inspection. If it did, be good to go. And we'll go get some air in the spare tire. We'll get that done. I got to go to O'Reilly's and get some stuff for the car. Oil pan plug needs a gasket, so I'm gonna do that and pull it out real quick, plug it back in, and we'll start the sanding the body work a little bit, and we put some clear coat on there and buffing it, and we'll fix the seat today. And hopefully should be ready to go. Just picked up the car and check it out. Here we go. All right, so here we go. 6/21. She passed inspection. So I'll show you in a minute right here. So this is the stuff. Let me turn on this stuff. Let me turn on this AC right here. So this is the stuff that they check right here. So Saturn 2-door car, odometer 91,338. $20 inspection fee, so they check everything: brakes, headlights, signal lights, steering, suspension, exhaust, fuel, tires, hood latch, everything. They go down the list. And they tell you right here if it's adjusted, installed, removed, and then they can put a rejection on it if it needs to be fixed. But it's all good to go. So we're good. Got the inspection, got the sticker. So let's head home, put a little clear coat on this car, sand it down, we'll buff it, clean the seat, and we'll fix the seat, and hopefully should be ready to go. So we'll see you at home. Well, it's the next day. I got the car painted, I got the Saturn painted, I got the clear coat on it, got it sanded down, buffed, everything's good to go. So I cleaned it up, and so I'm gonna show you what I did and show you what it looks like now. And the next video I'll do compilation of videos from when we first picked it up to the end, and kind of like a timeline, and kind of show you from beginning to end on what this car looked like and what it looks like now. So let's check it out. Alright, well there's the 2001 Saturn sc2, 91,000 miles on it. It had 90,400. It's got 91,338 miles on it right now. It's got a brand new inspection. I did the paint. You remember the paint was all chipping all the way down the driver's side. There's some chip paint there, and there in the bumper. And there's Bailey. Bailey wanted to be in the last video for the Saturn. There. It's got a new inspection. Just passed inspection, and so it's got brand new tires on it. Fixed the seat. The seat looks so much better. So it's got a new shift knob right there, Bluetooth radio, sunroof is working, and we got the headliner fixed. I know it's hanging down just a little bit, but I didn't want to pull this whole headliner down. Other than that, I think this car looks so much better, cleaned up. Shift's good. So I'll show you underneath the hood, and then we'll start it up and we'll give it a cold start here. Let me lift this hood up real quick. Give me 1 second here. All right, So this is the twin cam 16 valve 1.9 liter. We put a new belt on it, and it's got a new PCV valve. It's got a new master cylinder, a slave cylinder for the master. Slave cylinder's down there, transmission. You've seen that video. Brand new battery, the oil pan, gasket, oil plug or spark plugs. It's got brand new brakes. It's got a coolant flush. Go over here. It's got a brand new radiator. You can see right here, brand new radiator. So it has all that. And yeah, got brand new brakes. The trunk doesn't leak no more, so that's a good thing. Can show you the trunk real quick, and then we'll start it up. So back here, if you remember in the other videos, it leaked really bad, and I just got done washing it, and look at, it's dry. It's dry, just the water dripping from the trunk, but that's it. Got a new piece of wood here, so that was all ruined. So that's all new spare. So just gotta pump up the spare. So I got one of those. Yeah, I think it looks so much better. We had to take both the driver's side and passenger side rear panels off of here. So where's the dog? Bailey, where's the dog? All right, I had to find the dog. She's running around here somewhere. Here, scoot over. Scoot over. Scoot over. Okay, you sit on my lap. That's good. That's good. We can both drive together. All right, well, let's see how good this thing starts up. First crank in the morning. Listen to that. I gotta change that. So I'm getting ready to change engine oil. 91,000. There, 91,339 miles on it. Runs perfect. AC's going cold already. It's 70 degrees outside. Here, Bailey wants to drive the Saturn. Hey, go ahead, Bailey. You want to drive? Okay. Cool. All right. Well, there's the other door panel on the other side. Looks really nice. Got that done. And the other side, ripped in the seat. Got that done. Got a new power thing. Both windows work. Neat. That one. They both work. And they work with the auto side too. Look at that. Yeah, Bailey's scared of it. Watch her. Cruise control works. Yeah. All right. Let's look at something else. All right. Well, that's the Saturn flip. 2001 Saturn SC2. That's the flip that we just did. So when we bought it, had 90,000 miles on it. Had a bunch of stuff wrong with it. We fixed it, painted it, and it's ready to go. So. Alright, so if you like this video and like the Saturn flip from when we first picked it up to when we got it done now, I'm about to take it up there, get the spare tire pumped up, but that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna check the engine oil, stuff like that, but that's pretty much it for this build. So if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JC Motive Garage. So stay tuned for the next flip car, and stay tuned for more videos on the Jeep, the RSX, and the Integra GSR that's in the garage. So if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on JC Motor Garage. Let's find another car to flip.